So, ladies and gentlemen, brand new rolling heritage video, and we are actually in Sweden right now. So I'm Dutch, like most of you guys know. We are on a road trip and we have done around I think 1600 kilometers right now, so that's around 1,000 miles in this Volvo 940, and we are at one of the most insane locations I have ever been, I think. We were looking for it and we couldn't find it, and then we just drove on it's a gravel road, and I've driven here for I think like the past 45 minutes, but this is just crazy. And all of a sudden you drive into a tiny town which is full of classic cars. And with classic cars, from what I've seen, like now, I see Volkswagen Beetles, I see Volvo 544, maybe even 444s, and they are just completely gone. So enjoy this video. Please leave a like if you like this video. I'll put a link with the coordinates on Google Earth or Maps or anything I can find below in the description. And if you're in Sweden, please check this location out because it's just awesome for any car lover. So yeah, we are gonna look at the cars here, and I'm just gonna roll the clips that I made. So I hope you guys like it, and please hit the subscribe button for more awesome stuff. Alright guys, so you know I love old Saab and Volvo cars. So see this. I think this is a Saab 92, 94, I don't know. Completely rotting away. This is just crazy. Old fan over here.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
But yeah, you guys might have heard me talk about a Volvo Amazon, and that is like my ultimate dream car. And the thing I'm standing in front of is a Volvo Amazon, and it's just completely rotten away. So this is an Amazon. I have no idea what year or anything, but this thing is just completely gone. And this is like a car that I would kill for. And the crazy thing is, we've been at the Volvo Museum like a couple days ago, and there was no Volvo Amazon there, and now we find one, and it's just completely torn. walk into a Volvo 240 in the beautiful beige clutter. And it has still the red block inside of there. Oh look,
No snakes
over
here.
there, that is a coolant tank of a Volvo 240. Guys, we found a Volvo 142 two-door, and next to it is one of my ultimate dream cars, just as much as all those dream cars I already talked about. But this is a Saab 99, and over here we have a Volvo 240, another cream one. And look at this thing is just completely gone. But the fun thing is that is not a Volvo 240 shifter, so I have no idea what engine is in there. So that's pretty funny. And over there you can see the blower motor, which I already replaced like 3 times. I'm like 1, 2, 3, and a duet. So if you love Volvos, you should really come here once. This is just awesome. And these things are just so rotted away that complete trees are coming through the hood. So I think this is some kind of old car, truck chassis or
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy.
stuff to see, and I just can't film it all. But I want to thank you for tuning in on this video. If you like rolling heritage, and if you would like these cars in this place, and if you like heaven, please subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.